Welcome to Genome Software. In this video, we are going to understand broken period interest calculation, which is also called as pre-EMI interest calculation in Genome Software. So I search customer and click loan, select product scheme. Now, if I consider the first installment on the same date, then basically no BPI will be calculated. And if I change this to next month, then the BPI will be calculated for 1 day. Now there is also setting whether we want to keep 0 day if the dates are exactly same, or 30 days concept for a month. So in this scenario, I'm going to take 25th June. So pre-EMI is calculated 39 days, 39 for 6 days. Now I want to add this as a part of first installment. So I untick the way of interest and click save. 589 loan number. If you see that this is added as a part of first installment, which is the 0th installment. Now what I want to do is I don't want to create this as a separate installment. Whatever BPI I want to add it as to the actual first installment. So there is one setting, master setup setting, and I just searched because I already added this setting, merge broken period interest. So I click yes, save, and now I have searched file, click loan, select product scheme, and same scenario, 25th next month, and way of unticked. So 39 should get added to the first installment. I click save, loan 590 installment, it will be added as a first installment. All right. So thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.